Welcome to this preview of this course, Options 101 for swing trading. Okay, this is a Slingshot Option Series product, and what is this all about? A lot of you just don't want to mess around having to learn everything, right? You want to go make money. You want to know what you need to know to make the dough and to avoid falling down and messing up and blowing out your account or just making unnecessary losses. Okay, you need to know, uh, how options work in a practical way and how you can apply them to swing trading. You need to know which options to buy, right? Particularly, and you'll learn it as I'll teach you, uh, which options to buy relative to expiration. There's a ticking clock, but you can think that, oh, I'm just going to buy, same week options. They look the cheapest, right? Well, I mean, yes, you can on certain ways of trading, all right, but no, not in general, because you're forcing your stock to have to perform dramatically, okay, or semi dramatically to make any money because you have to fight that premium decay. All right, so if you buy an at the money position, now you need your stock to do twice the work because it's a 50 delta, and I'll tell you about all this, all these terms like deltas, okay, and thetas, and okay, and things you need to know in terms of, hey, if I buy this option, is it good or bad? Is it a good fit for this swing? What happens if I keep buying this option versus an option maybe 6, 8 weeks out? How does it work? What's best? Where can I make more money? Right? Then we'll go over buying in the money with swings, which at certain points in time can be an advantage, versus out of the money. All right. Whereas we are really wanting and needing that stock to work, and there are certain opportunities where it's better to do that. And also, when you're out of the money, you can just pretty much just define your risk in that position and say, hey, look, this is how much I'm willing to risk. I'm not going to bother with a stop loss because I'm going to have enough time on this. With these types of swings, unless we're in a very strong directional trend, these types of moves often come back in profit, which is true. Okay, so we're going to cover what you need to know for options trading in a practical way and get you on to looking to developing your own strategy or system or finding your own approach to swing trading and turning swing trading into a business where you become very methodical, very cerebral. You figure out your risk to rewards, right? You figure out your profit margins, and you figure out the deals. You figure out a method of trading that you also have to balance. Hey, what kind of trading do I want to do? Do I want to not only leverage my money but leverage my time? So maybe I just want to do day bar swing trading where I only have to look at the markets 5, maybe 10 minutes a night. Okay, versus, hey, do I want to do intraday swing trading or micro swing trading where you have to look a little bit more? Now, there are all sorts of swings, right? There are all sorts of opportunities to play for swings. And certain swings do lend themselves towards high velocity, dramatic moves. And on those trades, you want to know about what kind of trades those are in general. And you want to have a plan for those types of trades. You need to know what options to buy and how aggressive you can go. How big can you go? Right? We're going to figure out how to figure that out. Right? So we don't want you getting too gung-ho like the young guys tend to do, right? And betting half your account or worse on one trade because you're feeling it, because you can just sense it down deep in your toes that this one's going to be the one, right? Yeah, and that usually never works out. And actually, if it does work out, it's even worse because then you had the taste of that accidental victory, all right, betting more than half your account on a trade, and then guess what you're going to want to do? You're going to want to do that again, all right? And so, several trades later, what happens? Your whole account is gone, right? So, anyways, there's more on that. I have a lot of ancient wisdom. I've been in the markets for 30 years. I've been in options a long time. 18 years now. And so I have a lot to teach you and a lot of pitfalls to help you avoid. That's very valuable because if you blow out your capital when you didn't need to, then you can't advance. You can't make more money, right? Right. So you want to learn how to save your money and manage it well so you can be there for the good opportunities and avoid getting sucked in to the marketplace, because the marketplace is like the sirens of Odysseus that tries to lure you in very seductively to go crash your ship upon the rocks or your trading account upon the rocks and take all your money. It's just how it goes. So you'll learn about these types of things. So you want to purchase this course, just scroll below, or if you're not on the site, just click the link. There should be a link below. Come to slingshotoptions.com and you can enjoy learning from this course. Thanks.